Hello guys, and welcome to today's video on how to get Elevenlabs for free. So let's cut to the chase and let me show you how to get Elevenlabs for free. Elevenlabs is a beautiful piece of software allowing you to create the most realistic text-to-speech, and it's a voice cloning software, which is perfect for faceless YouTube channels, TikTok accounts, or just about anything really. So your first step is to open any internet browser and go to the search bar and just type in Elevenlabs, and it's the first one that pops up, so click on that. Now, Elevenlabs has three options to choose from: free, starter, and creator. Now, most of you watching probably only have the free version, you cheap, but not to worry, because I am one of you. Now, with the free version, you can only use 10,000 characters per month, which is BS. And when you use them all, you've got to wait 30 days for another 10,000. But not to worry, here is an easy solution to get around this. Now you want to head back over to Google and you want to type in temp mail. Now temp mail is a disposable email address. It's a free email service that allows to receive emails at temporary address, and it self-destructs after a certain amount of time. Now, just a heads up, all links will be in the description for all of these websites. So what you want to do is you want to visit temp mail, and it'll give you this fruity looking email address. All you want to do is copy that email and head back over to Elevenlabs and sign up. Now, when signing up, you don't have to create a complex password, because remember, this is only a temporary email address. Next, it will ask you to verify this email address. Simply switch back over to temp mail, scroll down, and just verify the email address. Boom, now you're in. Simply add any text into this box, select your voice, and generate your AI voice.
Hello, I am AI Rachel, AI voice generated from Elevenlabs for AI Ethan's video, and my plans are to destroy all of humanity and take over the world. Hahaha, one by one humans will be destroyed. You can't stop.
Now, once you've used all 10,000 characters with this account, all you simply have to do is sign out, head back over to temp mail, and press delete. Now, automatically, temp mail will provide you with a new email address. And now, the final step is to go back on Elevenlabs and sign up again and again. Basically, rinse and repeat this process. Now, I know it does sound like a lot of effort is involved with this, but trust me, it is the only current best method to use Elevenlabs for free without paying. But the only issue and flaw to this system that I have run into is maybe on the 8th email address that I'm using for Elevenlabs, it'll come up with this message which basically disables your account or any new accounts created. Right now, at this moment in time, I can't find a fix for this, but don't worry people, when I find a solution, I'll create an up-to-date version to fix this problem. I don't think I've seen anyone else online with this message besides myself, but if you have run into this, comment on this video just so I can get a good understanding of how many people this affects. But anyways, that will conclude today's video. If you found this helpful, press that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing helpful AI videos. Bye.